Oh, hello, listener. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are all okay. I'm also fine. It's my friend. His name is Mamun. Now we are going to our outdoors class, and we always trying to every day 1 hour for our outdoor session. Because of every day we are staying in my classroom almost 6 or 7 hours. And after that we are going to outdoor session. I think outdoor session is a very essential for any students because when we stay in classroom that time we reading academic purpose, but when we go outside this time is we are always talking to any kind of topic and any kind of gossiping with my friends. And here is staying my lots of friends, junior brother, also senior brother. They are so much friendly. And when we go outdoor class in Lab Road, there was we are all talking to any kind of topic and gossiping, always try to gossiping. And every people getting a partner, and they are going to outdoor session. Just I will show you. Every people have a partner, and every batch going for outdoor session. And I think when you improve your spoken English, that means you need to more and more practice. And who is the best speaker who practice more and more? Every classes has 30 people, but 30 people speaking is not same. Some of people are very improving, and some of people are very disgrace their spoken English. That means who is the most practice, who is the good speaker in this class, in this batch. So I think about that. You want to be a good speaker, you need to practice more and more. And any kind of topic, anywhere you go, you just practice. And I also thinking about that. When you go outside and you see some of topic, just you what your heart says, just you deliver. It's wrong or right, it doesn't matter. When you are able to deliver this time, I think you improve your speaking. And almost we are coming here, and here is a lot of student, and the weather is so good. And Dhaka city have not tree, but here is lots of tree, and their weather is so cold. Can you see? Here is lots of tree and fresh air here. Oh. Today we all people, they are gossiping. Here is two persons. They are going to outdoor class and practice their English. And also here is Mamun.
Hello guys.
Yeah, say something. Any kind of topic. Say something how to improve your learning English. Just you tell me only 30 seconds.
I see myself.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm Mamun. I'm a student. I'm 20 years old.
Yeah.
I'm preparing for English therapy.
Yeah.
I'm very weak English.
Yeah.
In English, that's why I joined English therapy. Is my friend. Is very friendly.
Yeah.
Lovely guy. And my father immigrant, my mother homemaker. I like to traveling. I'm not married. That's
Yeah.
it. Thank you for listening to patiently.
Wow. So, guys, see here, there is a lot of students, and not only our batch. There is still there are others students. They are only for coming here. Their speaking skill, improve their speaking English. So I believe that anyone who can improve their spoken English just need to practice. Just need to practice. Practice man perfect. Practice, you get a perfect fluent speaker. Every day you try to practice almost 1 or 2 hours with your partner, and you know here is lots of partner. You need to partner. Just call anyone, and he come to you and talking some of topic, and every day practice and practice. I think after few days you are capable to speak English, and I think also that English is the most easiest language in the world, because I trying to learning English only for 1 month, but now at time I'm capable to I'm capable to speak English. I don't know how is your fluency and how is your speaking English is good or bad, but I feel like that now understand to others people in speak English. I am capable this. So you need to speak English. Just you try to practice more and more, and I think at the time English is the most important for human life. Any kind, another thing. Whenever, whatever you want to other countries' language like that, Japan, Germany, Korean, that time I think after 1 month you are not capable to speak this language, but you try to speak English. I think after 1 month, after 15 days, you capable to sum up, understand other people, and you capable to speak English and understand others people. So just I give you some advice. Always you try to speak English. And he is our mentor, Shine sir.
Rakib sir, Rakibul. Sorry, Mahabubur Rahman
Mahabubur
Khan.
Rahman, yeah.
Just Mahabubur.
Mahabubur Rahman.
Mahabubur.
Yeah. Sir, you please you send me.
Roll call.
Okay. So he is our mentor. Me trying to roll call because everyone go outdoor classes essential, and and all students are bound to come here for outdoor class. No one come here. That means our mentor giving an absent this student, and there is lots of students and lots of my friends and coming there, and okay, thank you. This place name I already mentioned. This is Lab Road. Here is a lot of couple here before after evening time, and visiting here, and here is lots of street food also, and when evening time you come Lab Road, that time you see lots of street food like that, puska, chotpoti, jhalmuri, and also it also available here. Also available here seafood also, and Lab Road is the most popular at that time is tea, and this is Raja tea. Raja tea is the most popular. Yeah, every people come here and trying to Raja tea is so much good, and also here lots of any kind of food. Here is a lots of tea stall, and lots of mechanical store here, and just I want to see you. Here is lots of car stay here because their place is so amazing. Here is lots of fresh oxygen, and here is lots of fresh air, there is a loss of cloudy weather, and that's why every people every time comes here and trying to stay here for their monotony. And now time here is my friend Ratul. He is a good guy. He wants to be a servant of Allah. And always he says that he wants to be a servant of Allah. And everyone pray for him. Inshallah, Allah fulfill his dream. And Love Road have a good point of view, but here is some problem. I think about that because this road is not for any vehicle parking, but most of the vehicle parking here. That's why risks for human life and risks for any kind of accident. So I think this city corporation authority work this situation and overcome and out of this traffic. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening. And today I'm talking any type of topic and any kind of topic. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.